Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to fix TikTok photo mode missing. Now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your TikTok application on your device and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on settings and privacy. Okay, that's right. And then scroll down all the way to the bottom and then click on report a problem. Okay, that's right. And then click on account and profile under the topics. And then click on editing profile from the list of the options. Okay, that's right. You just have to click on that and then scroll down and look for the other and just tap on it. Then click on need more help. So you just have to type out everything that I'm going to put here. I currently missing the TikTok photo mode option on my account. I need this to be fixed. So all you have to do is to copy this sentence here. And then right after that, you just have to click on submit and wait for about 24 to 48 hours. And the TikTok Help Center team will send you an update. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok photo mode missing. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.